about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial using 3 bundles of that Kendra's Boutique 24 inches with a matching HD closure in 18 inches. And let me tell you guys about this hair first of all. Bomb, okay? Bomb.com. If you know, then you know. But she also gave me a hair wrap, edge brush, wax stick, and yeah. So now this is me showing you guys that I'm gonna be making this wig on the sewing machine, and right here the knots are bleached, ready for me to make this unit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing color again. We're gonna do highlights on this custom unit from Kendra's Boutique. This is gonna be one hell of a color, okay? Because I'm doing a freestyle and I love highlights. I'm about to highlight the heck out of this hair. So if you guys have watched my previous highlight videos, you guys will know, be familiar with what exactly I use when I color. Today I'm gonna use the same old thing. We're using the BW2 bleach, and we're using Superstar for developer. Okay, and also today we're gonna add a color over highlights, over the highlights, so we can tone it up and make it ashy. So today we're gonna use the dark ash blonde Revlon color silk and the number 60. This, you can find this in any beauty supply store. It's probably like $2 to $4. It's like between the range of $2 to $4. It shouldn't be more than that, because if it is, that's a ripoff. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna start mixing our bleach with our developer. Like I said, if you watch my previous videos, you should be familiar with the step, so you can skip over the step if you want to, or you don't have to if you don't want to. Let's go. All right, so gosh, you know what? Before we actually open up a whole new batter, I have my last one right here from my previous BW2 bowl. I'm actually going to use all of this. I'm just going to pour everything in here. Okay, so here. I'm gonna start off small, then I'm gonna make some more bleach if necessary, because I don't like when my bleach just sits there and just sit there. Oh yeah, make sure you wear a mask, because literally this thing is strong. You don't want it to get in your face. Okay, so as I freaking mixed, okay. Actually forgot I also have this one open too, so I'm gonna use my old ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour the developer in here. And like I said on my previous videos, when you're adding bleach to developer, make sure it's an even consistency. Do not put more developer than bleach powder, okay? Don't do that. Make sure it's even. If you have to go back in and pour some more powder in or pour some more developer in, make sure you do so. So I'm gonna just mix my bleach and my developer to perfection. Remember, I use my whisk. The best way to go about it is using a whisk. So remember, we use foils. We're gonna be foiling. I have like up to 30 foils because I want to place these highlights everywhere. So let's get started. I made this intro really quick because I have a lot of videos. I have 2 highlighting videos stating exactly what I use, how I mix, and all that extra stuff. So if you want to get into all of that, if you're new to highlighting, please check out those previous videos. So yeah, you know, this is a important part of highlighting. You have to use your foils to actually process it and make it get as light as possible for clips. And let me cover my nose up again. So I'm going to start, I parted my hair in the middle part. I always do because I'm a middle part, whatever. I always do my hair in the middle part. So I like when my highlights form from the middle. Then it goes down and it goes down. I just have to make sure it's perfect in the middle part. So let's go ahead and start this color. I'm going to bring this camera farther down a little bit. Okay. So now that we are down, I'm going to take a piece of hair out. And you're going to weave through that piece of hair. The technique I use is weaving.
Soundstripe.
It's been a long day, long year.
You're going to place your foil underneath that hair. Make sure it's actually going to hold there. Then you will begin to apply the bleach. And make sure when you apply the bleach, you saturate it everywhere. Don't try to put way too much, but make sure it's enough that it's actually covering up the hair. And yeah.
Back to the city where the magic happens. You wear a suit and tie and I will wear my satin. When all the lights are bright and we won't even
Make sure when you're coloring and highlighting, whatever you're doing with color, take your time. Don't try to rush through it, because if you rush through this process, it won't look as good. You want your work to be polished, okay? Perfect. Perfection.
Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Soundstripe.
Let's go to the west side of Times Square. Hey, spend all of our money on Fifth Street. I like it over there. Even though you think it is too crowded, like Broadway.
You feel as though you're done foiling that section, you close your foils. Make sure you don't press it in the middle, like press it in all the way. You can push it a little bit, but don't mush it together, if you get what I'm saying.
And I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers, all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah.
Soundstripe.
All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see it's on the rooftops, hand in hand. Now, baby, why don't you take me back now?
Soundstripe.
Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me. Now, baby, why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. I'm so laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers, all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, train till we end up on Wall Street. Forget the time, cause the hotel we get out of line. Take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Ooh, yeah. Hey, take me back to Manhattan. Oh, take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah.
Sounds right.
All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see us on the rooftops, hand in hand. Now, baby, why don't you take me back now?
Sounds right.
Everything at your fingertips, all you need is a round trip ticket to go with me. Now, baby, why don't you take me back to Manhattan, back to the city where the magic happens. You wear your suit and tie and I will wear my satin. Where all the lights are bright and we won't even make it back till 3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison. Skyscrapers all you see, can you imagine? Let's dream about the day in the city that never sleeps. Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back now. Ooh, take me back to Manhattan.
Alright guys, so my camera died, so I couldn't show you guys the whole foiling, the whole head being foiled. But look, right here, I'm about to turn this around real quick. Turn around, I literally have so much foils in here because the more foils you put in, the more highlights you will have, and the better it looks, okay? Put a lot of foils up in there so you can really, like, we can really catch those highlights.
Manhattan, baby.
Sounds right.
Take me back to Manhattan.
Sounds right.
It's been a long day, long year. So what are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a plane out of here. Go up to the NYC, baby. It's crazy, but let's go. I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I don't care if it snows. I guess I'm out of my mind. Take me back to Manhattan.
So this was after when I washed out the bleach. I only used regular shampoo. I didn't do anything else special to it because I know I'm going to go back in with another color.
3 a.m. So laughing, cause we accidentally got lost in Madison.
Look, it even looks pretty like this, but we don't like tones. We don't like the brassy tones, okay? We want to get rid of all that brassiness. And like normally when I do regular highlights, I just let my hair sit under purple shampoo for like 30 minutes to get rid of all the brassiness. But with this color, I want it to be ashy. I want it to be on the ashy side. So this was the dye we used. I already introduced this dye in the beginning. You can get this from any local beauty supply store. So you're gonna mix the developer they gave you with the, I forgot what that's called. That's a little, just mix both of the things they gave to you. And make sure when you are done mixing it, you shake it really well before you start applying it all over the hair. Make sure when you apply it, make sure you're really saturating it and make sure you're getting it everywhere. And when you get the chance, when you do like a little piece by little pieces, go ahead and just like comb through it to make sure like that color is getting everywhere. I'm a pro at this. I know how to add color and deposit color, so it's like I really don't have to do it for every step because I know like I'm getting the dye through everything. But if you're new to this, make sure you're really combing through like after every application.
Take me back to Manhattan. Take me back, yeah.
Sounds
Ooh,
right.
la, 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 la. All the lights, all the music is in the air. I can see us on the rooftops. hand in hand.
Guys, when you get to the front where the lace is, be very careful. You don't want to get this dye on the lace. That's why you see me, I have the little applique brush so I can like get close to the lace but without having to mess up the lace. Do not touch your lace. Please do not touch that lace.
Take me back to Manhattan. Back to the city where the magic happens.
I was done with the color application. I went to the sink. I shampooed her. I used silicone mix afterwards. After the shampoo, I let the silicone mix sit in for 30 minutes. Let her dry under the dryer. Then I styled her. I have a curling video also, so I'm going to leave all 3 links below in the description. So if you guys want to see that, it's there for you. So yeah, Guys, look at the final freaking finish. Ashy bomb look. Oh my god. This is a killer look, okay? Killer. And literally, I did not plan this color at all. I did not plan this. This is freaking, this was freestyle, okay? And it came out so good. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, show your friends, and I'll be back again with more videos. Thank you.